How do you make decisions? I mean, big decisions. How are you making your decisions? That's what we're talking about in this video. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help new managers become better leaders, and I do that with no nonsense sense. This one, we're going to talk about how you make your decisions. Oh, excuse the road noise. The idea came to me. Guys, we got to stop. This is some value here, so I need to give it to you. So put up with the noise. How are you making decisions? And I'm talking big decisions. This could be at work, but can also be in your personal life. I can't tell you a process of this, that, and the other thing, and this, you need this data and these points to consider this to be a good idea. What I can tell you is what works for me. The bigger the decision, the faster I make it. And it's funny, my wife and I were on the same page. We kind of laugh. When we decided to buy our house, it was should we buy it? Let's buy it. It was a new build. We didn't even see the blueprint. We knew we were buying it. We then upgraded to a different house. No questions. Let's sell the house. Okay, let's sell the house. We could take hours of discussion trying to figure out if we're going to buy a carpet. We could have hours of discussion trying to figure out where the kitchen table should go. Should it go, this way? Should it go this way? Do we need different colored chairs? These decisions take us days, weeks, months. When there was a decision for me to leave management because it wasn't working for my family, that decision was made in a moment. When we were deciding to buy a new car, we knew the problems that we had. We knew the car we wanted. The decision happened immediately. When we decided to make an investment in real estate, and instead of buying one property, we decided to buy 2 properties. We made that in an instant. These big decisions that we made in the snap of a finger have all worked out for us in the big picture. Again, don't sit on it. I truly believe if you're in tune with yourself, if you're in tune with where you are, you already know the answer, especially to the big questions, because the big questions, they only come to you when you are prepared, when you've been walking the path to get to that big question, so you already know the answer. Don't waste time. Be connected with who you are, what your goals are, what your family, your friends, whatever it might be. What is it that you want? Make the decision. Don't wait for it. Now, if you're deciding where to go to eat, that's another battle that you don't have time for in this video. Make your decision. If you need help making a decision, I've just opened up one-on-one coaching with this guy. Refreshingly informal. This is how I talk. You know me now. So if you need this kind of guidance, and I'm not saying you do, but I'm here to help. I'll talk to you in the next one. Ciao.